how did you first learn about Abhyas Law Program?
So in 2019, I took my first attempt in CLAT and I couldn't make it. So I thought this time I'll take the CLAT under some guidance, because the first time I was self-prepared, and so I thought so I was looking for some good institutions or good coaching centers that could help me, that could mentor me, and I found Abhyas in a random browser in Google, and I found it good, and I approached them, and they were really good actually.
Is there a person from ALP team you would specifically like to talk about?
I would talk about Naresh sir. He was our GK sir, and not only GK, he used to talk on a lot of things. He used to cover not subject wise, but he used to guide us through all subjects and pattern as well. And in his mentorship, I really improved a lot.
Did you face any difficulties as a part of ALP? And if so, were they resolved?
Difficulty as in, I used to face difficulties not with the institute as in, but I used to come from a long distance actually, and so it used to take me 2 hours for the journey and 2 hours return back to home. So that's it, I would say. Like it was really stressful that time.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend ALP to upcoming CLAT aspirants?
Definitely 10, because not just saying, but it was really helpful, and I would recommend it to maybe whoever it's possible to approach them.
Did you get any guidance and tips at ALP to help you while attempting CLAT 2020? If so, did they contribute to your performance?
Yes, they have monitored me throughout, and they have mentored me throughout the process, and there were many tips, as in I cannot specify now, but they definitely guided me.
Did ALP help you understand and assess the CLAT syllabus to help you with your preparation strategy?
Yeah, they did, and we had a special session for decoding the CLAT new pattern, and that really helped me. And I think we had an edge over others in that, because we were preparing from maybe very earlier than others in the new pattern.
Did you find the mocks helpful with regard to the new pattern?
Yes, as I said, we had mocks every weekend, and after the new pattern, they really very swiftly shifted from the old to new, and we used to have an analysis session of the mock also, and that really helped me actually.
Share your views on the teaching or delivery style followed at ALP.
Talking about the teaching style, they were really student friendly, and every teacher used to be really cooperative, I would say, and it was really good.
Do you feel that the study material provided to you at ALP was relevant to the scope of CLAT 2020?
Yeah, pretty much relevant. We were given a regular GK banks and monthly GK banks, and other than that, we were given an overall study book, which really helped me. And after the change of the pattern, they also revised the materials. I mean, they have replaced the new old materials with the new, and the materials were really helpful also.
How did the lockdown affect you personally?
Yeah, frankly speaking, I was really at first I was motivated with my preparation, but later, when the dates were extended further, I lost my motivation pretty much, and we had some premium clubs and premium batches which were designed for this special purpose, and they really boosted our confidence and motivated us a lot.
Did you find any differences between online preparation and physical classes?
Yes, there was a lot of difference. At first, I was little uncomfortable with the online classes, but later on, adapted to it, and yeah, the team ALP team also helped me to really adapt to it really quick.
Did you find online classes at Abhyas helpful?
Yeah, they were really helpful because after the lockdown and maybe after 3 months we lost the track, and due to the online classes only we could stick to the subject and the exam.
Were you tensed with the changes like lockdown and introduction of new pattern happening around you while preparing for CLAT? How did you overcome this?
As I mentioned before, I took the 2019 CLAT paper also, and comparing the difficulty, comparing the two papers, the new one and old one, I would say the new one is more difficult, and but it is also relevant as in for law, because it tests our comprehending skills, which we really need in our law career.
Did you see any advantage as a part of ALP that gives you an edge over your fellow aspirants?
Yeah, I would say we had an edge over other students because, as I mentioned, we used to have regular mock tests, and we also had Telegram groups. We had premier clubs. We also and coming to the faculty, they were really learned, and they were really good at what they were teaching, and so yeah, I would say it was really helpful.
What was your first thought after getting out of CLAT 2020 examination center?
Actually, I was pretty confident after giving my paper because I knew I have given most of them right, and yeah, I was happy but I was waiting for the result also.